Welcome to my YouTube channel. Uh, Today I will be showing you how to create a project in Netbeans. This is a Java project and create a repository on GitHub so that you have your project online. So you can work with different people in different places. So yeah, so we're just gonna go straight to GitHub. So what you need to do, you need to create the GitHub account, and then so that you can able to push your code uh, on GitHub. This is the best practice in terms of software development, or should I say, in programming. So what you need to do, just go and say GitHub. Uh, then you click sign up to GitHub. Uh, Already I've created an account myself. So what you need to do, you need to go there and create an account. So once you create an account, you'll be able to sign in. So already I have an account. If you don't have an account, you just go click sign up, and you will then be prompted to enter email, and then you just follow the instruction. So yeah, once you have the account up and running, then uh, you're able to sign in like myself here. So what you need to do is you need to create a repository where you're going to push your code. So the first thing we need to do is we need to create a repository here. So you come here and then you click uh, a repository. Uh, Okay, then maybe let me just go to other site because I do have a site where I create. Here, that's when if you want to display, yes, you can just come here and say click new. If you want to import, you can always import. So there's so many places where you can create your repository. So let me just come here and click new, and this one I will call it GitHub. I'll call it GitHub people. Okay, so you'll keep it public. So what happens means everyone who have the internet can able to access your code. So should it be a solution that one maybe wanna make a reference, you can do that. So if you keep it private, it means it will be for only those that have access. So we're just gonna keep it private, and then you just go and click repository, and then it will create the repository. So one thing you need to remember is you need to make sure that you copy this. So you come and click, you need to copy this URL here because you will need this URL. So what I need to do is let me see if I can uh, just paste this somewhere else so that I can remember. uh, okay, like I said, you need to have this URL. Okay, so let me just use Notepad. Okay, uh, so my Notepad here, I will then paste this URL here. Okay, once I'm done with that, then yeah, I'll be good to go. But one thing that you need to do now is because you will need to have the token to access this repo. So you go to settings here. Okay, then you go down, you go to developer settings. Once you are here, you need to create a personal access token. Okay, so I've created mine here. You can see here I've created mine, but it's fine for this project. Let me just demonstrate to you. So you go and create one just like that. Okay, uh, sorry about that. Let's go back. uh, what we need to create is the generate new token classic. Okay, then you need to give it a name. uh, I said, let's just say GitHub token. Okay, so I can make this expire after 7 days. So then you need to select this repo here, so you can able to see this, can able to commit and all that. Okay, cool. So that's what we need to do for now. Then you click generate token. This is the token that you'll get. So you'll copy this token. Okay, cool. So once we have that, we can go back to our repo. Uh, and then this is the repo that I created. Okay, then let's see here. Okay, cool. There's nothing. So let me go to Notepad and put the token. This is the token that I created. So now I'll go to Netbeans. I'm going to create a project. So this project, okay, cool. I'm just gonna create a simple project. I'll call uh, GitHub. Let's just say GitHub test. Okay, cool. And then I'll click finish. It will create a simple program for us. Let me just create another class, Java class. I'll call this student. Okay. Uh, in this class, I just want to have some few variables. So string name. Let me make this private. Okay. What I'll do, I'll copy this. Then I'll create the S name here. Okay, cool. This is the surname, right? So, and then I'll just create the get and set method. So I'll just use a shortcut in here. Then I'll select all. Then I'll generate, and I'll have the get and set method for my project. Okay, so I'll go back here, and then I'll then now need to let me just increase the font. Okay, let me come here and create uh, an object for my class student. I'll call stud1. Okay, so I've created my object there so I can use this object to access uh, part of my class. So